Ever wondered what the final week of GTA Online Halloween 2023 event holds for us? Well, it's a cornucopia of spooky goodness. The customary free mask is up for grabs just for logging in, and it's joined this year by a free parachute bag. But that's just the beginning. Prepare for the eerie glow of hundreds of pumpkin lanterns scattered across the game, each hiding a random trick or treat for the brave souls who dare to collect them. And let's not forget the bonus cash and RP rewards. They're still up for grabs for those who participate in various Halloween-themed modes. From racing through foggy streets to battling it out in haunted death matches, there's a thrill for everyone. So, gear up and dive into this chilling world of GTA Online. Make sure to experience everything while there's still time. Curious about the key details of the GTA Online Halloween 2023 event? The frightful fun kicked off on October 5th and will continue to spook and delight players until November 2nd. By playing during the fourth and final week of the event, you'll be rewarded with the hauntingly stylish GTA Online White Vintage Skull Mask. The Halloween thrills don't stop there. All players will also receive the Halloween parachute bag. The event also marks the return of the 200 GTA Online jack-o'-lanterns scattered throughout Los Santos and Blaine County. Collecting just 10 of these pumpkins each day will earn you a bonus of 50,000 GTA dollars. But beware, each pumpkin you pick up delivers a random trick or treat. For those brave enough to collect all 200 pumpkins, a special bonus item awaits. So, are you ready for a spooky adventure and to collect all those pumpkins before the event ends? Let's wrap up, shall we? Remember, the GTA Online Halloween 2023 event is on its final week, with a free mask and parachute bag on offer. Plus, the Pumpkin Lantern Challenge is still on. Until next time, game on and stay spooky.